Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to reset network settings on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select General Management, and then go to Reset. And here you will notice Reset Network Settings, so just click to perform this action, and if you truly want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, just tap on Reset Settings. Then draw your unlock pattern, and click on Reset to confirm. And that will be all. As you can see, network settings have been reset, and you can customize it from scratch now. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.